Assalamu alaikum everyone. Hey everyone, today I'm going to share with you the top 5 best places to visit in Australia. This beautiful country offers breathtaking landscapes, rich history, and vibrant cultures that are sure to leave a lasting impression. 1. Sydney Opera House. As the iconic symbol of Australia, the Sydney Opera House is a must-see for any visitor. This stunning architectural masterpiece was built in 1973 and is a UNESCO World Heritage Site. Don't miss the chance to take an inside tour and enjoy the panoramic views of the harbour. 2. Great Barrier Reef. Home to more than 1,900 species of marine life, the Great Barrier Reef is the largest coral reef system in the world. Discover the vibrant coral gardens and colorful fish by snorkeling or diving amidst the stunning underwater landscapes. 3. Kakadu National Park. This lush, tropical park in the Northern Territory is home to unique wildlife, including the iconic kangaroos and wombats. Explore the park's beautiful landscapes, including the Nitmiluk River and Maramba Valley. 4. Uluru Ayers Rock. Located in the heart of the outback in the Northern Territory, Uluru Ayers Rock is a mesmerizing, ancient rock formation surrounded by a sacred indigenous community. Perched high in the landscape, this cultural monument offers a breathtaking view of the surrounding desert and sky. 5. Melbourne. Known as the City of Flowers, Melbourne is a vibrant metropolis with a rich history and artistic spirit. Visit the iconic Flinders Street station, explore the charming streets of Queen Victoria Market, and take in the live music and street art that fill the city. With its diverse landscapes, rich history, and welcoming people, Australia is a destination that you won't want to miss. Happy exploring!